Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive a picture on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First open your Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap on profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, proceed to archive. In very top you will see some different options, story archive or something like that. You just tap on middle of top and then tap on posts archive. And here you will see all your archived picture from your Instagram. Now we should select one of your picture. For example, I select my. And now in very top you will see three little dots here. Tap on three little dots. From pop-up menu you will see delete and show on profile. Select show on profile. And this will be removed from archive your post. And here, as you can see on my profile, is a picture from archive post on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.